Yes, that's all perfect. And the Myra is definitely one of the best clinics you can choose. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm Ed. I came from England. So basically I live in Milton Keynes. Heard about Turkey and the dentists that we are brilliant. So that's the main reason I choose Turkey to go. So it was an interesting story to be there because I was thinking about doing my teeth for quite long ago. But I got a little bit like a phobia, like of the old dentist, bad experience when I was a kid. And then me and my friend decided like, let's do it. We need to do it. He found the clinic and we came, so it was like WhatsApp chats and all that stuff. We came to that clinic because they organize everything, the hotel and all that stuff. We went to that clinic. And my first impression on that clinic was really bad. Our chat on the first day was maybe about 10 minutes, and I wasn't very impressed, with that clinic. And the next day when they asked to come for the treatment, I said, no, I'm probably not going to do with your clinics. I'm looking for the quality, I don't looking for something like cheap, quick, whatever. I just want to make sure that, my mouth fixed properly. And then I started to do, a little bit of research on internet, asking some local people as well. And Myra showed up on the Google with brilliant reviews of people, and so on. And I decided to pop in, popped in. Ramazan met me, very nice guy, brilliant with a smile, like, yeah, I said, can you help me? Because, I'm just tucked in Turkey. And he said, yeah, we can. So I went to see the doctor. And our consultation lasted about like 2 hours. And I said, yeah, that's the clinic which I wanted to go for, because he explained me everything from A to Z, what and how, what option I have. And then it was to me to choose. So I said, no, yeah, Myra is the one. And yeah, that's how I choose Myra. I'm very happy, very excited, definitely recommending that to my friends, which is thinking about, because we in the hotel now with the people, and we share the experiences which is we going through, and I think all this a bit tourism on a dental practice, I think that's a little bit what the best word to describe is not the right way. And when I spoken to the doctor, I said, yes, we are the clinic, we are a professional dentist. We went a path which is we are here now, like universities, experience. I said, yeah, we're not travel agents, we're a clinic. People must want to come to us because we're doing a good job. So yeah, and like I said, yeah, that's brilliant. That's brilliant. Answer it. Sorry, I just like went straight through. So I've been in Turkey, so this is my 7th time or 8th, I can't remember. So I'm traveling quite a lot, I love traveling. So I've been to Bodrum, Side, Kemer, all part Marmaris, and then so the culture, the people, I like it. Everyone was like, when I was going first time in Turkey, like, oh, it's a bit different culture, bit different religion. But I went there and I came back and said, no, people are lovely and nice and so on. So that was the first, I trust the people, I love it. Then again, I'm a man who's doing a lot of research, reading what people saying, what the world's saying. And I was reading quite a lot that Turkey have one of the best dentists in the world. I read that the people from Europe, like Germany, people from America, the dentist which is practicing come to Turkey to practice, to finish universities or some kind of courses, and then they're going back to their countries to practice. So it put me a lot of, a lot of trust that, like, yes, I definitely want to do it. A good thing that it's economical, thing is so it's much cheaper, because what I've been quoted for the same thing in England, it was massive, 3 times different, 3 times different. So that's why, yeah, I choose Turkey. Oh yes, so it was a bit funny. So when we did everything, so when it was like ready to see. But I was still on anesthetics, and I said, like, doctor, just look at the mirror. I'm like, no, give me the mask, put the mask. When everything gonna go off, I wanna see my smile, like when it's natural, nice. So put the mask on. I went back to my hotel. I'm here with my missus. She's like having a holiday, and she's like, oh, show me. I was like, no, not yet. Everything gonna go off, and then I will take it in a smile. So when everything was already better, I took it off and I asked my missus firstly to see us. So when I show my smile first, she started to cry. Yeah, it's not like it was very bad before. It was just wow, what kind of change it gives you, to your face. It's just first of all, it's 10 years off your face. She's jealous a bit now, oh, I want to do it as well, but she had brilliant teeth. I went as well when I saw it. Yeah, it's a big, massive thing to do. A smile to the people. This is something wow, definitely. So if I'm trying, I like to talk sometimes. If I'm gonna go back to, let's say, when I was about 14, this is the first experience which I had back. So I'm born in Lithuania, and our probably dental practice that time, 20 years ago, wasn't so good as it now. So I had a tooth extraction with a massive pain when I was a kid, and that's where it created my phobia. And this is where I was I know I need to go, but I'm nah, I'm scared. I'm a big man, boxer, but ugh. So, but like I said, came the day where I just needed to do it because otherwise it would go so bad, and then, it would be really, really bad. So all the process was something which I was really amazed. I didn't feel any pain during the process, when the implants were putting on and so on. Yeah, a little bit of pain after. It's normal. It's nothing you can do your body. It's a medical procedures on your body, some kind of surgeries or stuff. But I can tell you, it's nothing what you can't just to hold it. Like I said, it's quite short. And then second visit as well. It's just quick. They give me a painkillers. Yeah, this is what you used. I use one tablet and it's all gone. I don't feel it just feels natural, no pain, nothing. Maximum, yeah, exactly. It's definitely, like I said, worth it. And I said, it's nothing what you can't just, it's like I said, it's just natural. A couple of days and it's going away. I know people are different, their body is different, their system is different, but in my occasion, no, I was very happy and was really surprised that the swollenness went a couple of days off. Next day I didn't feel any pain and nothing. I was I can enjoy the Turkey. So I did all the rafting, all the holidays, enjoying myself. Yeah. So my probably last advices would be as well. What I've noticed in Turkey, it's if you're going on the main roads, you see so much dentists, so much dental practices all over. Do the research. Pick up the one good one. I think the reviews is the most important. First thing as well, the first impression when you come to the clinic, when you're talking to the doctor or whatever, make sure, like I said, it's not 10 minutes, it must be, at least I would say an hour, to making sure, the doctor knows what the problem, gives you, different paths to go through and you choose which you want. So definitely agree. I definitely would suggest make sure you doing the check, on where you go. And the Myra is definitely one of the best clinics you can choose.